Hey, welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester and today I've got a super easy make for you. For those of you that don't know, before I started doing DIY tutorials, I worked as a hair and makeup artist doing hair and makeup on photo shoots. And one day a client requested hair clips in a color that I didn't have in my kit bag. So I quickly got my nail polishes out and some kirby grips and I just painted the hair clips. And I still do this, and now I use the little hair clips on Kiki quite a lot because her hair is getting really long. So I thought let's show you how easy it is to make your own colored kirby grips. This is such an easy project, I don't even want to call it a craft, let's just call it a hack. And all you need is your little kirby grips, some cardboard, and your selection of nail polishes. So I'm going to put your kirby grips on a piece of cardboard. Make sure they are a little bit spaced apart. Blonde ones, I really like using these white ones. I can't remember where I bought them. But they're just slightly smaller than a normal kirby grip. I put these on. Also gonna use some of these teeny tiny ones. With your kirbys all in place, it's time to paint. And it really is as simple as just painting the top of your kirby grip. So let this dry. Maybe apply a second coat if you need, and then your kirby grip is ready to use. And you can make these in all your favorite colors. I got these all painted, now I'm just gonna wait 5 minutes and they're ready to use. Didn't I tell you today was going to be a super easy little make? And I love these colorful hair clips and I think it looks super cute on Kiki's hair too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and have a look at all my other videos here on the Handmade Home channel. I'll be back soon with a new video and I really hope to see you then.